These spears were requested by the football team, and so they came up to us and said, hey, we need spears for our graduating seniors. We just got the designs and went ahead and worked.
You take foam, you cut it up, and then we use barge, and we put it together, and we, wait for that. And then once it dries, we shape it how we want it to, and then after that, we paint it.
It's not all that intensive once you kind of just learn the basic processes. And even just simple materials like that can make something that can last if they're taken care of. Since I was in the intro special effects class last year, it's been pretty smooth, pretty easy. It's also just been a nice light project to kind of get back into the swing of being in this class.
You can etch it how you want to, you can paint the color scheme how you want to, and even though it's for school, it's still your very own. So I think going to a football game and seeing someone using your spear is very special.